Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 2. In lesson 1, we learned how to draw basic shapes such as line, circle, rectangle and polyline. But drawing is only half of AutoCAD. The other half is modifying, such as changing, moving and fixing what you have drawn. Today we will learn 6 important modify commands such as trim, extend, offset, fillet, move and copy. Let's start with the most used command in AutoCAD, trim. Trim is used to cut away unwanted parts of a line or shape. It's like using scissors to cut off extra paper. Firstly, draw two intersecting lines. So, line command for type, L, press enter, click here and here. Intersecting for another vertical line, L, press enter, click here and here, press enter. Okay. Trim command type TR, shortcut from TR, press enter, enter. This tells AutoCAD use everything as a cutting edge. Now click on the parts you want to cut. Okay, I want to cut this part and this part. We see how they disappear. And press enter. Remember, TR, enter, enter is the fastest way. You don't need to select cutting edge manually. Another way. Now I'm going to draw a circle. Shortcut for C. Type C, press enter. Click here and again. Now I'm going to draw a line. Type L, press enter. L, press enter. Click here and here. And again, press enter. Here and click here. Okay. Trim command, shortcut type TR, press enter, enter. Now I'm going to cut this part, and this part, and here. Now click on the parts I want to cut. See how they disappear. So, TR, press enter, enter is the fastest way. You don't need to select cutting edge manually. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.